Hey guys, Alex here, and in this quick video I just wanted to show you how you can add image inside of the text. So let's quickly go to the file, go to the export file post, so we can open up this square file format. Let's do it, for example, with these ones. I just want to quickly find some quote with a big text. You can do that with your own custom text, or you can use some of the ones which are included. Let's use this one because it has big text on it. Drag and drop it inside using the move tool. Position it however you want, or hold Control, click right here, select it, use the move tool. This middle one, so it can be perfectly into position. Control D. Now I'm going to duplicate this folder, so but before I do that, I'll close this because my computer will lag. So you can copy this folder by doing Control J, and I will hide it because I want to show you two methods for doing this. On this first folder, I will right click, ungroup layers, delete the original background because we have this one, and now I will just place the image inside of this big text. So click on it and simply drag and drop your image inside, press enter, right click on the image and select create clipping mask. So now this clipping mask will clip on top of your image, and you can resize it using the move tool, of course. You can position it however you want. You can even go to the edit, transform, and now flip horizontal if you want this little house to come on the left side and not on the right side. As I said, you can position it, make it bigger, smaller, move it left or right, and so on. So that's the first method. I will click right here, hold shift, click on the first one, Control G so I can group it and hide it, so I can show you the second one. The second one will be, let me open up and remove the background image. Second one will be when you have multiple layers of text and shapes and so on, like we do right here, and you want to add your image on top of everything you see right here. So you can maybe have some frames or some other shapes and so on. So what can you do in this case? Well, select the folder, right click, select convert to smart object. So now all of these are inside of this smart object. To edit any of these, double click right here, it will open it up. You can press T, you can edit this text, change its color and so on, like you usually do. I'll do Control S so I can go back right here. And now, once again, select this now new smart object, drag your image, place it on top, press enter, right click and select create clipping mask. So exactly the same technique, but now it will clip to the entire text. So maybe you have a frame which goes around it, maybe you have some button at the bottom, maybe you have some lines that go like from the top to the bottom. It doesn't matter, whatever you have inside of this smart object will reflect right here. I will do click right here, hold Control, click right here, Control G so I can group it, and so I can show you. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So the difference is for this first method, you don't have to convert your text to the smart object. And one cool thing with it is when you press T, you can edit it. So for example, you can type large and it will extend to wherever your image is. You can even enlarge it and so on. But on this second method, you can select the entire thing, right click on it, select convert to smart object, and now drop your image inside, right click, and then choose create clipping mask and put your clipping mask on it. If you want to release the clipping mask, which means that you don't want your image to be clipped right here, so right click on image and choose release clipping mask. What this will do is, you can see it will release that clipping mask. You can move that image around and so on. So that's how easy it is to place an image inside of the text.